So she is BokBok's favorite and she needs a little protection. So we're gonna put this little saddle on her and hope that helps. Okay, this one doesn't protect her wings. I think maybe whatever this is supposed to be put on her to protect her wings. So actually, okay, I don't know how well these parts are gonna fit, but hopefully that gives her a little chance to heal and grow her feathers back. That does not look comfortable. Oh my goodness. I don't think so.
It looks like she's kind of getting adjusted. I don't know about the black things. If you're good with that.
There we go. Oh yeah, that's fine.
They're all good.
So we finally moved our 10 pullets out with the big chickens and split them between the two flocks. This here is Diamond's flock, and with him went the 3 olive eggers and the 3 black copper marans. We brought them in at night so they could all sort of wake up together, which for some reason seems to help the transition go more smoothly. It also helps to have a rooster because once he's established himself as boss, he will protect them and maintain peace within the flock, for the most part. And then we have BokBok's flock. To his group we added the 3 Walsummers and Blue, our 1 Blue Americana. This is also the flock with Poppercott, our hen who is wearing the chicken saddle. It's been a couple months since we put that thing on, and she seems quite comfortable wearing it now, which is a good thing because she's still definitely BokBok's favorite hen. You can see here her wing feathers are slowly starting to grow back, but the back of her neck and the part of her shoulders that are bare are still sparse. So I'm afraid to take the saddle off. Hopefully BokBok gives her a break over the winter. Molting season is definitely starting. There are feathers everywhere on the ground with both flocks, so I expect we'll start getting less and less eggs over the next month or so. But I'm hoping as the older hens stop laying, that the younger pullets will start and potentially keep laying throughout the winter. That's usually how it plays out unless we have extreme weather, and that's why I wanted to get chicks in April back when it was still chilly rather than waiting until the summer. Go ahead, Mary, pick it. Pull.
Oh. If she pulls too hard, she's gonna have to pull that whole plant out.
Okay, Ella will help you. Go ahead, Ella.
I can't.
There you go. Okay.
It's huge, right? Can I have it? Beanies. At first I thought they were cucumbers.
Last year I promised myself I would plant more basil in the garden for pesto, but the basil I planted this year has not been growing very well for various reasons, so I gave in and purchased a few starts. From the starts, I clipped off the tops and stuck them in a jar of water for about a week and a half to get them to grow roots. Okay, go ahead. Well, the starts were getting scorched by the sun in the location I had them before, so now we're planting them in the garden bed in the place where our garlic used to be, and we're planting the basil I propagated there as well. Kind of a method to my madness. Just observe. wings. I'm not gonna lie, everything looks kind of sad and pathetic right now, but I'm crossing my fingers it'll bounce back in this new location.
Some of the dogs have piggy rights.
Goats like blackberries too. My mom came over with her excavator again a few weeks ago and helped us clean up the rest of the dead and fallen trees that were out here in the far corner of the pasture. She also helped us dig out a trench along the back fence line and deepen our existing creeks. We're hoping these changes will help keep the pasture from being so waterlogged 9 months out of the year, but we'll have to wait and see once it starts raining again.